Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to deposit money from Revolut to your US bank account in 2025. Whether you're a digital nomad, an expat, or just someone managing international finances, this guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Revolut has evolved a lot by 2025, with faster transfers and better security features, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have the latest Revolut app installed on your phone. Open it up and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers section. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen. Here, you'll see options for sending money domestically or internationally. Next, select Bank Transfer and choose the US as your destination country. Revolut now supports seamless ACH transfers for US banks in 2025, which are faster and cheaper than traditional SWIFT methods. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check the exchange rate. Revolut's rates are competitive, but fees might apply based on your plan. Now, for the key step. Link your US bank account. If you haven't done this before, go to Accounts in Revolut and add your US bank details. You'll need to verify it with a small test deposit or through their secure verification process, which only takes a minute or two. Once linked, confirm the transfer details, including the recipient's account number and routing number, and hit send. One important tip. In 2025, Revolut has enhanced security with biometric approvals, so use Face ID or fingerprint for added protection. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days via ACH, but check for any holidays or weekends that might delay it. Also, keep an eye on fees. Standard plans might charge a small amount, while premium users get it for free. And that's it, you've successfully deposited money from Revolut to your US bank. This method is secure, efficient, and perfect for avoiding high bank fees. If you run into any issues, Revolut's 24/7 chat support is a lifesaver. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.